How to change your TikTok username within 30 days. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your name before 30 days on TikTok. So, as you know, TikTok policy doesn't allow you to change your name again within 30 days once it's been changed. Now, if you want to change it before that, head over to your phone settings. As you scroll down, you'll get the option system, and here you'll get the option date and time. If your set automatically is on, toggle this off, and here change your date to 1 month later. So once you do this, if you head over to your TikTok and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon, once on your profile, go to edit profile, and here you'll be able to change your username by tapping on username. Hope this was helpful to you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.